Right now, another big Bitcoin move is on the horizon, and I will be exactly talk about where we are heading towards next. I will be exactly discussing the most important charts for Bitcoin. I will be going over a very interesting signal where no one is paying attention towards right now, and the EMA ribbon is about to be flipping bullish. And what of an historical signal is this, and how is Bitcoin historically performed after it crossed bullish on the EMA ribbon? I will be exactly talk about this and much more, so don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Yesterday we smashed it back about 400 likes. Can we once again do it on today's update video? That will be absolutely incredible. So don't forget to slap up that like button right now. And yesterday we actually predicted this beautiful symmetrical triangle where we were seeing a beautiful breakout from. So congratulations to everyone out there on the channel who did open up a long position on the exact breakout of the symmetrical triangle. Because if you did so, you would have made a profit for an approximately 3.6%. And with a leverage with 20x, it is about a 70% return. So that's absolutely crazy. Congratulations for everyone who took that. But right now I need to discuss the price action for Bitcoin on the imminent short term, because once again we have seen beautiful symmetrical triangle breaking bullish, another symmetrical triangle breaking bullish, and we are forming yet again another pattern. Will this one break bullish? We don't know. We have to wait and see which direction it officially breaks towards, but so far we are once again expecting that today we're going to see the volatility pick up again, and we are expecting to reach the apex in approximately 5 hours from now. So make sure to get ready for the next move on Bitcoin. It is going to be definitely a very interesting one, and it's either going to be up or down depending where we're going to be breaking towards, but the upside target is going to be somewhere around the 21.2k, and the downside target is going to be somewhere around our critical support target that is trading around 20.3k. And the reason why I'm saying critical support target, I am talking about this very important red box of resistance that right now most likely is going to flip into support. So we have been beautifully predicting the high volatility in the market, right? So if we've been talking for quite a while about that lower high structure and that higher low structure, we've been talking about it for quite a while, and we always said the price action is literally squeezing in here, and we will be choosing a direction anytime soon. And like you can see, we broke bullish, and more importantly, we broke above the red box of resistance that historically speaking has been providing significant amounts of resistance. Currently, I am waiting, honestly, for a beautiful retest of this support box around 20.2k towards 20.3k. If we do get that retest for Bitcoin, I honestly would be expecting that we're going to see a strong bounce from off this level, because we've been getting rejected by this level for quite a while, right? We've been getting rejected by this level for multiple occasions. So if we see a retest, it will allow us probably to open up a very good long position. So like I told everyone what my game plan is, if Bitcoin breaks bullish, I'm going to look for longs, and also vice versa the other way around, right? So right now, I am opening up long positions around that 20.3 towards 19.9k level, and this is the level where I would like to be opening up my next long position on Bitcoin. So like you can see, I'm already setting up my orders here on BitGet. Actually, if you want to be trading yourself as well, I would highly recommend to check out BitGet, because first of all, if you trade on BitGet, you won't pay any fees for the first 2 weeks using it, and on top of that, you can trade without VPN, without KYC all over the world. More importantly, also what we can currently see is that the funding fees are negative. What basically means there are still more shorting orders in the market, and due to that, if you want to be opening a shorting position, you have to pay extra. And if you're opening up a long position, you're going to get paid to be in your position. Very careful with opening up my longs or shorts right now here, but especially shorts, because everyone is trying to short this pump. Is it then all too smart to actually open up your shorting position as well? So, I mean, right now are very tricky times to either trade short or long, in my opinion. That's why I, first of all, am waiting for a potential retest of 20.5k to open up a big long position. However, I wouldn't be surprised as well that we're just going to go even more vertical from off this point onwards. I am actually wouldn't be surprised, because so many people are trying to short this pump. It is very likely to see an even further continuation towards maybe levels around $22,000. So interesting to see, and hopefully we could see that the next short squeeze happen on the market as well. Furthermore, if we are going to be looking at that Bitcoin daily chart, we can currently see we broke out of the descending triangle, and more importantly, we also broke above that previous range high on the daily candles as well. So we are confirming an higher high on the daily time frame. This is looking quite alright. This is looking quite good, actually, in my opinion. So things are starting to shape up again, and I mean, yeah, Bitcoin is really starting to be looking a little bit more bullish from this point onwards. And do make sure that if you are going to be trading on BitGet, to use the link in the description, because otherwise all the bonuses I just mentioned won't be eligible. So make sure to check the link in the description right now if you will be trading in the future. Furthermore, if we are going to be looking at Bitcoin on the daily EMA ribbon, we are starting to see something very crazy. Right now, the daily EMA ribbon is about to be crossing bullish. Of course, it could take another 2 or 3 days before we're going to cross bullish, but currently we can really start to see that we are coming closer and closer towards that bullish reversal. And historically speaking, once we do get a bullish reversal on the EMA ribbon, like we can see over here, it didn't last for long, but we clearly did saw the price action for Bitcoin move up in approximately 13%. So in the imminent short term, it means that we're going to get more confidence in the market. We also saw one over here in the October 2021 pump. We crossed bullish, and from the point onwards, of course, we went towards the new all-time high. We also saw one over here. We also moved up in the imminent short term afterwards. And I mean, I can go on and on and on, but historically speaking, once we do get the EMA ribbon crossing bullish, just like we saw as well over here, we tend to see more upside getting created, just like it also was doing over here. So my point right now, what I'm trying to be making, is that once we do get the bullish crossover on the EMA ribbon, that actually did not occur for an approximately 217 days already right now, we could start to see some more upside on the imminent short term as well. So looking forward towards that, and I mean, it could be happening in the coming 3 days ahead of ourselves. So things are looking quite all right now for Bitcoin, and this could be actually a very important signal that you could be potentially trading as well here. Furthermore, looking at the daily time frame, remember this chart, my chart with all the most important levels of support and resistance, and then you can currently look at this important downward sloping resistance line, and look where we're getting stopped out right now, at this crazy important downward sloping resistance line. I mean, on the exact dollar. I mean, I set up these levels an approximately month ago. I talked about all these resistance levels. Look at how beautiful Bitcoin got rejected. Look at how beautiful Bitcoin got supported. Look at how beautiful it got rejected. And we broke above it. And right now, we're once again approaching a critical level of resistance. And if we do break above this level, and I told you guys that a while ago, if we do break above this level right here, I mean, historically speaking, and I mean, really looking at the charts, there's not going to be a lot of levels that are really going to be providing us resistance, unless, of course, the horizontal levels, of course, right? So this is extremely important to be looking at. And if we do confirm a daily candle close above $21,000, that is going to be the point that we will be confirming that break above that critical level of resistance. So I am definitely looking forward towards that. Let's see how it is going to be playing out. But today, I am definitely expecting that move here of this symmetrical triangle right now. Furthermore, looking at the 3-day time frame, right now we're only a couple hours away before closing the 3-day time frame, and then we're officially also confirming a breakout of this chart right here. So things are looking quite all right here. If we do break bullish, historically the price target is around $31,000, and that is absolutely a monster price target. And do also take into account, while we have been seeing this, the RSI on the Bitcoin 3-day time frame has also formed a significant bullish divergence. So I mean, I've talked about it, and is it really that unlikely that we're going to be seeing the push towards the upside? No, I don't really think so. So looking forward towards where we are heading towards next from up this point onwards. But Bitcoin definitely starting to shape up quite all right now. So today I'm expecting the next move happening for Bitcoin, just like we predicted on the previous occasions. So thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video. I truly hope you did learn something from it. If you want to learn on how to copy trade in this industry, don't forget to check out the videos that are currently popping up above. But anyways, this was it for me on today's update video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.